Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and I am so sorry for those of you who were expecting my chat this morning, but unfortunately I got up way too late, and this is because I've been suffering from insomnia. As many of you know, this last few, well, I'd say about 4 days, my sleep pattern has been really crazy. And finally, over the last couple of days, my body went into make up for it mode. And oh my goodness, I didn't get up until way late this morning. And that meant that I had to get up, quickly shower, make a cup of tea, and get onto my training videos that well, it's actually a Zoom meeting. So I didn't have time to do it. And so I thought, okay, during my lunch, I will get on and do a video for you guys. And I have some homework to do as well. And here we go. Also, I had to do like a little speak to the group thing, which, as you think that being a seasoned YouTuber as I am, always on camera and talking, that would have been easy, but it's a bit out of my comfort zone. Talking to people who are not yarny and who don't expect to hear from me, and well, it's more of a kind of a everybody free-for-all sort of thing, you know what I mean? You guys don't unless I'm on a live stream, you don't really answer back at the time. I read them later. Anyway, I've got some yarn to show you, and remember a little while ago I bought some yarn from Stylecraft for my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk, and well, it is beautiful yarn. I decided as well that they were short in what they sent me, and so I pointed that out to them, and they sent me replacements, but they also sent me one that had completely the wrong label on it, which was crazy. So that's what I put in my giveaway yesterday, but they are going to send me the correct labels, so it will be labeled correctly when you get it. So there's not a lot here to show you, but I did get some more of this. Now this is the one that I did my swatches with a little while ago. You may remember I only actually undid that yesterday. And this is called Dark Prism. It's called Knit Me Crochet Me. Beautiful yarn, and it's really easy to work with, and those colours are gorgeous in this Dark Prism. I know a lot of guys out there, a lot of you don't like working with black, but if you've got good light, or I have put my neck light on if I need it, it's not too bad working with this, to be honest with you, because you're not dealing with black for too long before one of those colours pops in. Sometimes the colours are there with the black anyway, and it gradually comes in. So you can see the blue with the black there, and that happens throughout. So there's the orange with the black. So it's not always just black then a colour, which is what gives it that beautiful kind of transition of colour. And it is lovely. If you haven't seen my swatch video, I'll put a link at the end to that one. You know, when the 4 videos come up that I choose, not the masses of videos, but the ones that I choose. And that will show you how this works up as well with crochet. Obviously, I didn't knit with it. I didn't really have the time to knit with it. But this is the Dark Prism. Neck light seems to be missing. My fault. I never remember to bring it back in. So looking for a light source of any kind. I may have one. It depends if this phone is dead. No. Okay, it's not dead. We have light. We have light. Okay, so it is, I'm going to look ghostly now, machine washable, tumble dryable, dry cleanable and cool iron, Dark Prism, or 6154, and where's the sizes? Where is it? Here we go. 80% premium acrylic, and it is lovely and soft. It's beautiful to work with. There is 20% wool, but I couldn't feel it on my hands. My hands are very sensitive to wool content. They go, eek, put it down, don't work with this, you know, that sort of thing. But I didn't feel it. So 290 meters, 317 yards. and it's 100-gram skein. So the only difference between this one and the new one that I've got to show you is colour. Now when they sent me this, it had on the actual yarn band, instead of saying it was dark prism, it said it was colour wheel, which really confused me because I was going to order colour wheel, and I thought, did I order that then? Surely that was the dark one, but this is colour wheel. And as you can see, instead of having the blacks, it's got the whites, so it's more or less the opposite of this one, but it's gorgeous, isn't it? It's beautiful. So if you're not into the blacks, then this one with the rainbow is just beautiful. So let me tell you a bit about this one. Okay, get the light back on. So they do give you this kind of insight into how it knits up, but that is knitting. And I always say these are subjective. They depend on how many foundation stitches you have as to whether it's going to look like that anyway. So it's just a rough idea, but it's nowhere near what your own work will look like, because, you know, we'll all be doing different things. So again, all the same size and everything, but this one's colour wheel, and it is, I don't know why I needed to do that because I knew it was colour wheel. I'm just having a special moment, guys. So there you go. You know, I'm going to say, yarn boobies, they're very swirly. Aren't they lovely? Oh, just beautiful. Really is lovely. So I toyed with the idea, really wanted to get this one. But the day I ordered all of that yarn, I spent so much money that I thought, oh, something's got to go. And I'd already got the other rainbow one and the one with the blue and the rainbow. So I figured I can't have too many that are similar. So I'll take this one out. But now it's back in. It's now back in. It's in the circle of trust again. Isn't it gorgeous though? Don't you just love this one? It is beautiful. I really, really, really love it. I'm going to try my best to swatch that one up. I know I brought in a few to swatch, didn't I? But all is not lost. The one that they sent me with the wrong name on, they're sending me the numbers, you know, the actual yarn bands rather, to switch it over. Hopefully they'll be the same. If not, I'll divert to my original plan and just keep it for my own personal stash, and I have given some of it away already in my giveaway. But this is the other one I ordered, and this is the one that a little while ago I got in one of my Quest for Yarn videos where I go out into the high street and search for yarn shops. Now the yarn shop in question did have this colour, and when I looked on the website when I was ordering this originally to go into my shop, there were a few colours that I wasn't sure about. They looked a little bit kind of wishy-washy, and I thought, well, I don't really like them. They're not vibrant. I don't think people will like them. So I didn't order them, and one of them was the white and the other one was this colour. Now, since then, in my quest for yarn, I found the white and it was lovely. So I ordered the white, and now I've found the green and it is gorgeous. So I've ordered the green. So sometimes you can't really go by the pictures on their website. So what do I do about that? Well, I have software where I can manipulate the colour to get it to be the colour that it should be. So that's what I do. So when I go on there, I actually bring in, see, this is more of a kind of a yellowy green. Do you know what I mean? It's got more yellow content to sort of make it, and that glitz is all different colours. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? But when you see it on their site, that's what you're looking at. Because they want to show you the glitz, they put it too far into the light, and it washes out that beautiful colour, which gets lost. But there it is. It's gorgeous. It's really a lovely colour. So I've got this now, and I have uploaded this one and this one to my website. So they are available now. And don't forget, there's that voucher code underneath the video. If anybody did want to order it, it's valid until the end of the year. And so I've got quite a lot of quantity of this, because obviously I thought the first 10 didn't count because they had the wrong name on, and I didn't think they'd ask me to return it, because that's really difficult when you're dealing with a company. So I just thought, oh well, I'll swallow that up. I'll use it myself anyway. and give it away. And now we've got this one as well. So lots of new stuff on my website at the moment, and lots of Black Friday offers that are still valid, and lots of really nice offers. So yeah, good stuff. So yeah, what have I what else have I done? You know, the I did have some time ago in my shop those, and I did a video of how to use it, the I-cord maker. I will be getting some more of those. I just, you know, it's a sort of an expensive time of year. That's the only trouble. And so, but I will be restocking those. They're very, very popular. I sold tons of them, not only in my shop, but on YouTube as well. Because, not YouTube, I'm talking about, it's eBay. Yeah, I just, as soon as I got them, they flew away, and I ordered more and they flew away again. And so I will get some more of them, because they are brilliant, especially for making things like if you're doing amigurumi, to do tails on animals, to do bag straps and all sorts. So if you can hear some untoward clunking and clonking, you know, Gary is in the other room wallpapering today. So that's what all those noises of domestic bliss are. So yeah, now yeah, there he is. So now I have to go and make him some lunch before I get back to my training. So yeah, thank you for joining me, and I'm again sorry that my chat was missing this morning. It was a bit out of my control. I should have set an alarm, but I didn't, unfortunately. So yeah, here I am anyway. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. And there's the door. Bye for now.